Welcome back to another video. We've got Donruss Optic. I opened one of the hanger boxes and got a Zeke rated rookie. And I've watched some breaks online. I watched Pack Cards 87 open up one of these and get a Dak Pink, a Dak Prescott Pink rated rookie. So let me just focus that in. There's the odds, if you want to read that. And it's a possibility we could get Donruss threads. 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. So, time to get ripping. See what we got in here. I got if you watched the other video about the mail day, I got a new camera, so hopefully I'm trying to make my videos better. But so let's see if there's any thick packs in there. So, move that over there. So hopefully we can pull. I have not seen a video yet with a with one of those thread cards. If I can get this pack open, I'll just do the next one. So, these packs want to open. Okay, looks like we're doing it the old-fashioned way, everybody. We're gonna have to.
Careful not to cut the card.
There we go. Okay. Uh-oh. Looks like we got a thread. We got a patch here. We're gonna move that to the back. We got
Put it in front of the camera.
Eddie Lacy. We've got Matt Collins, CJ Pro Size, rated rookie, and the relic card, Allen Robinson to 100. Ooh, that's cool. That's a nice looking card there. That's the first patch card I've seen pulled out of a optic box. So next pack. Okay. We got Big Ben, Devontae Freeman, Jeff Durisky, rated rookie. So I'm pretty happy since we got a patch card, and I believe, yes, that is a vet patch card. So, ooh, Tom Brady. Okay, that's pretty cool. And I forgot to say this is the Blaster exclusive pinks. Devontae Buckner. Not numbered. So there's that. Ooh, and Hunter Henry, rated rookie. Andy Dalton, pink, rated rookie of Jordan Howard. It's pretty cool. And Demarcus Robinson, rated rookie. So, next pack. Sam Bradford, Rob Gronkowski, refractor. I think that's a pink too. It's numbered. No, not numbered. and Cody Kessler, rated rookie. So yeah, I have not seen a break online yet of a patch card. So Braxton Miller, rated rookie. Wendell Smallwood, rated rookie. And yep, that's it. So a little recap here. Okay, so we got an Allen Robinson patch card. Try to focus that in. And that's one of the only numbered cards I got in here. 98 of 100. So that's pretty cool. The pink of DeForest Buckner. The Jordan Howard rated rookie pink. And then the rated rookies. Hunter Henry rated rookie. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. We got a patch card. So thank you all for watching, and see you next time.